Okay, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. About a little over 12 hours after this big blizzard snowstorm thing was supposed to hit us. It's Wednesday afternoon. Right now there's a lot of sleet coming down. No snow, just a lot of sleet. I'd like to say we got about 2 inches. About 2 inches of snow. Overall, I'd have to say I'm not impressed thus far with this big snowstorm we're supposed to have. Still got all day, so anything can happen. I'm sure it's slippery as hell out there, and it's probably going to get worse when the sun goes down. But for now, no big deal. Well, it looks a little deeper on the road. Of course, I don't bother with side streets. We are in Main Street. We cut off here onto Central. Oh, looks pretty bad. Looks a heck of a lot worse on the streets than it does on the sidewalks and the grassy areas. It just doesn't look that deep in the grass. You can see the tops of the grass blades. Alright. Wow. Helps to have 4-wheel drive. Almost to the top here. This could be tricky. Okay, we're traveling west on Sumner Ave. Just came off of White Street. Sumner Ave looks really good. Did a great job plowing Sumner. Okay, we're on Belmont here. Just passed by a few cars that are still parked on the street. They're buried in snowbanks now. Belmont's not too bad either. It's really good. It's like just the side streets are going to have problems. Okay, well, we're on North Main. Not too bad. They're no Springfield though, I'll tell you that. Still quite a bit of snow on the street here. Getting a lot of drag. Okay, we're coming up on the plazas. Boy, the roads are really not plowed well here. I don't know if they didn't get to it yet or what. It's kind of sad though, we've had one big snowstorm. This one right here. And the chances are pretty good that we're going to be getting the news that the city and outlying towns are all out of money for their snowplow fund. One big storm. Let me pull into the plaza here. Okay, and take a left here. We're coming up on the newsstand. You can't see it. There's no sign. See the UPS store? The newsstand is just to the left of it. It's my favorite place to go for lottery and newspapers and magazines. They got everything. They lost their sign about a year ago. I'm going to back in here. They lost their sign about a year ago, and they never replaced it. And I don't know if they really have to. They get so much business. That place has always got people in it. They got a Keno thing in the back. Everybody plays Keno back there. A lot of old people. They didn't take care of their retirement, so it's Keno time. There we are. Okay, I got my newspaper. Let's check out what we have here. news to go. And in the coal investigation, Mass Mutual gift to Winnick. Tornado hits New Orleans, just what they need. Libby decides not to testify. Disarmament pack snag. Climbing aid wins contest. That's the news to go for Wednesday. What is today? The 14th? February 14th, 2007. Okay, we're off to the 99 and have a little lunch. Read the newspaper. Get out of this stuff.